closely, you can see what the puddle light looks like right now. It's not very bright. It's pretty dim actually, and it looks really cheap. So this is the before. And then real quick, here's a view of the workspace that we got. So on the sides and the back, we got some good room in the garage. So this will be a comfortable job. So I just bought some puddle lights for the M5. So these are the little lights that you see when you open your door up, and then it shines on the ground to light up puddles or dirt or just look fancy. So these ones are the 50th anniversary M logo. So I'll put it in this bag and see what they look like. So pretty small box, 3D shadow light. So there should be 4 of them in here. So if we just do them like that, you'll see 2 and 4. And then you even get a little trim tool. This is pretty convenient. I think I might actually use this because the screwdriver I was going to use is metal. So this will work a lot better for the leather door cards. So what you want to do is just take your little trim tool and basically pry out the light from underneath. Get right there. So what you want to do is just take your little trim tool and basically pry out the light from underneath. Just get right there. You kind of get all the edges, really pull it out. And as you can see, it's popped out now, it's completely free. And there's a little plug right here. Take it out. There we go. So this is a 2-prong plug, it's pretty small. Let's take out one of the new ones. Let's see how they look. I believe that you can change the direction of which way these shine, so we'll try to take a look at that before we actually put it in the door. So as you can see, now I've got it plugged in, and these are like Chinese made or something, so the fitment is a little funny with the plug, but once you get it right, it's just fine. So go ahead and put the light back into the door card. And make sure that it's facing the right direction. So as you can see, it's facing that way right now. And I think it actually does fit both ways if you were to put it backwards. So you don't want it facing that way. You want it facing this way. So there you go. There's what it looks like. Let me get a shot on the GoPro too. That's pretty sick. So the process is the same for the other 3 doors. So just do that, and then we'll show what the after looks like with all of them done. Here's a reveal of just one door before I show you how the whole car looks. So that looks pretty sick. Very colorful, very bright. Here's a view from the front of the car. You can kind of see the symbols right there on the ground. It looks really cool from afar. So if we just walk up to it and see how they look close up, that is really, really cool. And let's see that one down there. And then we'll just walk around the car. Check that one out. You can see this side. and you can see how the whole side of the car looks with both doors open and the puddle lights on the ground. That looks amazing, guys. So the best part about these puddle lights is they're actually HD and they're fadeless, so over time they won't get less bright. They'll always stay this bright. They'll always stay this colorful. And as you can see, you got all the M colors here. You got the baby blue, the dark blue, and the red with the BMW logo in the middle to top it off. This is the 50th anniversary M logo. This looks super, super hard. Look at the details of this light pattern too. It's really, really exact. Like, you can tell that the craftsmanship of the light was really, really good. You can tell that they took their time making this piece. The only complaint that I had is the actual plug-in for the plug for the light is a little bit funny. Like, the pins are a little bit bent, but it's not, you know, you can work around it, you can get it plugged in, but just be wary of that. So here's how the puddle lights work. So when you open the door, you're gonna see the logo on the ground. And then if you have the driver's door open and you look, you're actually gonna notice that the other puddle lights are illuminated down there, but you just can't see them because the doors are closed. Same thing on the back doors. If you look through there, there's kind of the flash of the video, but if you look, that light on the left, that's the puddle light on the door that's illuminated. So when you close the driver's door, the other ones turn off. So you no longer see that under the door there. So that's how the puddle lights function. And sometimes when you lock your car, you close your doors, you'll see that one is still on. And that's a video for another time. If your puddle lights don't go off, then you need to do some troubleshooting, and I can show you guys how to do that. So watch my next video for that, where I troubleshoot a puddle light that doesn't work on your BMW. But anyways, so when you get out, this is what the puddle light is supposed to actually do. Wow, that looks 3D from there. That is trippy. So here's the finished product. And again, guys, I would really recommend this mod for your BMW. This doesn't apply to E46 or E53 series, I believe, or E39s. It's gonna be for your more modern BMWs. But I would really recommend doing this. I got these off of Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. I got these off of Amazon for like 44 bucks for all four. So they have different symbols. They have like the M symbol, the BMW symbol. They have just plain white light, blue light, and then this one here and some other ones. So if you guys enjoyed this, leave a like, and thanks for watching.